Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. So today what we're reviewing is this Rovlet red floral dress. It comes with two pieces. There's no stretch to the fabric, first and foremost. The sleeve over here, it's cinched, and there's a little stretchy fabric over here. Zipper all the way down the back. The waistline is a natural waistline and it's a deep V. So let me go ahead and try it on. So it's quite a deep V, so I'm actually going to use a little safety pin and just pin it right here. The other thing is that because there's no give and it just stays right there, you actually don't really need this piece unless you want to. It can cinch it in a little bit more and give it like an added element to it. And of course you can do it in the front, on the side, or in the back. You can probably do something fun and creative with this, such as like, you know, maybe something like this. Ooh, actually, I think I kind of like it on the side like that. That's kind of cute. I don't know if you can see, but like the sleeves comes in two sections. You can see that it's sewed right here. So basically it's like, you know, form and then like it poofs a little bit down here. So here is the whole dress. It's like mid-thigh, cute two-tier of ruffles. So it kind of goes like this and then straight down on the bottom, all the way. This is what the back looks like. And that's it. For more product reviews, make sure to subscribe, like, and share.